Global inflation is becoming the big story, and the Financial Times today has put out a quote from the world's largest building materials company, London FTSE 100 and Dublin ISX listed CRH. It's warned that the industry in construction faces a second wave of inflation as spiralling energy prices drive up the cost of everything from wages to logistics. CRH, which works on big construction projects across Europe and the US, is valued at around 30 billion euros. It was, according to the CEO, Albert Manifold, hit by a 50% increase in energy costs in the first half of this year, which he says has led to a rise in wages and logistics costs, which have been rising since June or July. The big issue for this industry, and indeed across the world, is just to what degree we can hand those extra costs on to the end consumer. Now, if we take a look at CRH, the stock hasn't actually moved very much. It is down today for a third day in a row, but we got pressure building on the markets anyway. In the long-term picture, you can see we're off the highs we had recently at the back end or the beginning of this year, where we're up at, this is the London listed stock, so it's at 40.28. We're currently trading at 31.66. But as I said, the jury is still out as to just how much of these increased costs these companies are able to hand on to the end consumer, already under strain because household budgets are being hit by those very same causes of inflation, that is the high price of energy. Where all this ends remains to be seen, but one of the keys to unlock this is to try and get energy prices down.